Haki babun ki Shillong ai jing hikai kila jusaki ya ka Jingpulong jong khubor penya Skul lani college ya ka jing yakop ba per ka balong kum bynta ban pro ya ka jabieng jong ki khna Skul ka bala ban ong ba ka di ka wei na ki bynta jong ka Jingpule Haki Skul. Hagani ka sing ka bamenta ka Bhoi Synod college kala pelong ya ka lumpung inter school competition but ya kani ka program la pelong ha plau jong ka Bhoi Synod college ka badan ha sat sning Nongkyndong sning Haka district Bhoi. La ban kedo bala wan bani bynta hakani ka lumpung da ki nyotli ki Skul ki badan haka than sning but ki don kumba pratli ki jat jing yakom ki kantop ka AC writing, flower arrangement, historical collage, ka quiz, extempore speech, debate, poetry recitation, but ka talent show. But kum ka jing ai mensiam ya ki nong bynta la ai da ki khusnam se ki nong job jong baro ki jing yakom. Hakni program lawan benar kat lang uba Ransom Sutnga, Chairman MIDC, Kumukongsan, Hakajing don lang Reverend HL Marsing, President Governing Board, u Principal ka Bhoi Synod College, Reverend PS Tumung, ki nongkai jong ki Skul baper, ki khana Skul ki samla puli lembat ki wei. Haba ajing kren na kaliang jong kongsan uba Ransom Sutnga, ulong ba kanika juk ka batmai bamenta ka bagi samla puli na kithan ki badan shaki Nongkyndong kilai rangkat bat ki samla puli ki badan shaki jaka puli ki badan haki sor bat ki nongba bat haki babun ki jing yakop jong ki lumpung baper jong ki Skul lani ki college ki bawan Shakhmat ki dei ki bana Nongkyndong Henry ulong pat ba ki Shillong ajing kai ki badan shaki than Nongkyndong ka don kam bakin tre shitom banangken jo shaki kerdan ki bakham shalor haki rukom ajing kai ya ki samla puli. Kitam sabat ka bynta hai kan nu jing sngewbha kaleng jaga ki pensawa usyong uthau ya muja ting ting ngariu kak sing ting kamaden ting hoi kyu lingkat kamastika kin hai Pawbha babun ubay.
During my student days, we also used to have this kind of competition. Because I am a science student, I go to participate especially in science exhibition. But today I could see that many items in these competitions like essay writing, flower arrangement, quiz, extempore speech, debate and talent show. And while I was sitting there at the principal's room, I could hear the noise of all of you shouting. Okay? And I wanted to come and also see your excitement. And without seeing, I know that all of you enjoy the activity. Now, with regards to the college here in Umsning, especially Bhoi Synod College. This college is a very new college. It was started in 2019. And the presence of this college here, I believe it will make all of our people here to benefit. And I'm very happy that the college took this initiative to organize this inter-school competition 2024. And I believe your participation will give the encouragement to the college, especially from different schools around Umsning. I want to thank all the schools participating in this very important event organized by the college, and also the head of the institutions encouraging the school students to come and participate in this competition. Now, from my side, I want to congratulate all the winners, especially in different competition. And I wish you all the best. And I wish that this college will continue to progress in the future. Last month I was with Balawan College, and I could see also, students studying there now are in the forefront. They are now competing even with the students studying in different colleges in Shillong. I remember last year when we organized one debate competition in Shillong for the 6th schedule, debate on 6th schedule. The students from Balawan College, he was also in the forefront. I was very delighted, I was very happy to see that even the students, studying in rural colleges, now, they are also in the forefront to compete with the urban students. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to tell you one story. There is a Chinese proverb which says, any cat can catch a rat. Ngan ong nakakasi. Mo kanang kamsutanat na kasi. Baro kimyo kila ban kem knai. Kata kaday ka Chinese proverb. Kai kijingmut jong kanay ka proverb. Kaday ba tang kinong Amerika kibala ban le yakakam Shakhmat. Henry wat kinong Shainaru kila ban le yakakam kabakrao. Kata kaday kajingmut jong kata ka Chinese proverb. Not only the America can do great things, but even China also can do great things. So this is very, very important for us. I want to tell you that even students from rural area can also shine in their studies, in their curricular activity. They can also shine. Now I am standing here. I am not from the city. I was born and brought up in a village. But that does not hinder me to become one of the engineer. This is very important for you, all the students who are studying in this college. Very, very important to understand. Okay, you can do better even than those friends who are studying in the city. Last results of the class 12, one of the boy from rural area studying in one of the college in Mairang, Science College in Mairang, he got 10th position. And this gives the encouragement to the management, to the teachers of that college. And I want to encourage the students here, especially those students studying here in this college. I want to encourage that you can also shine. And I also want to encourage the students participating in this inter-school competition 2024. You can also shine. You can also do well.
pidon kam projector ban pen film ne pidon kam projector nak benta ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru yue ar nyau lai